Hi. The new WAM we have with the US dollar calling account has many excellent features to help you. So let's have a quick look with the most important feature, which is probably making calls via the internet. So the first thing you do is you go to your private address for your WAM, put in your details. Here I have a test account set up, hit login, and wait, I don't know, 10 seconds or so. Okay, the first thing you see is the chats page, which is only interesting if you have a private group. Anyway, the important thing for us is that this telephone icon here, you see, is visible. So press on that and you get the dial pad. Now with this dial pad you can use it immediately to dial out any number you want, like international number. Remember, dial first 00. Even for UK, you would start here 0044, whatever. But anyway, to make things quicker and to demonstrate today, I've set up what we call a speed dial, which is down here. In fact, you can see speed dial is under my profile. There you go. The speed dials, this section we'll cover later, but for now let's go back to making a call. So on the speed dial I've set up 1 as my speed dial, and this will go to a phone which I have sitting right next to me while I record the video, so you can actually hear it working. So you've selected 1 as your speed dial for this particular number. We hit the phone icon, you can hear it ringing, and any minute now we should hear the other phone actually answer, connect, or not, as the case may be. Here we go. Took a bit longer than expected, but that's it. So the point being that we know we can connect using the dial pad. You can make internet calls this way, pretty useful. I'm turning off the other phone because it's noisy. Select the red button to cancel. And by the way, to exit your WAM, it's here, log out. And that's it, how to make a call through your dial pad with your WAM.